Hi everyone, and welcome to another Mighty Ginkgo tutorial. My name is Zero, and I'll be your instructor for this lesson. Okay, so we're going to start making clothes on Sorry, it's a little difficult for me. This is my first tutorial in a while, and I'm still a little rusty. On top of that, I'm still a little shy about making the tutorials for products that I made. I don't know. I have no problem with making stuff for other people's stuff, but when it comes to mine, I'm just a lot of shy. So this will be our first well-requested, long-needed tutorial on how to make clothes for the Bladencat series. I always frequently update it, so this one the one we're using in this one should pretty much be the same for any future modifications that I make. In this tutorial, we'll be using the fashion mod that recently came out as of the time of this recording. And it's a special mod made for clothes. I adjusted the weights in the shoulders because we had a creator who said that even though the rigging was fine, in the shoulders they slope downward, and because of that it makes it difficult to have anything with straps. So I didn't want to just release a whole new series with the shoulder weights changed, because there were some people who said they like the slope in shoulders and they don't wear clothes, so they don't have a problem with it. But there are also people who do like this body and, they need the shoulders. So for the sake of creating clothes, we're going to use the fashion mod and create with that. As always, all of our materials we use will be in the material section on our website. We don't post these on YouTube anymore because it's too much of a hassle to replace it when the links go down. So it's easier for me to change it up on the website than it is to dig through 20 videos trying to change the link on each one. So if you are wondering what I'm using, just go to the material section of the website, and wherever this will be, probably Bladencat section, and in the materials we'll have all the stuff that we use in this video. Okay, speaking of the stuff that we use in the video, I guess I'll get to telling you what I'm going to be using for it. I'm going to be using my favorite blender, Blender 2.72, Avastar 1.71, and let's see, Marvelous Designer for making the clothes, and Photoshop for texturing said clothes. I'm sure there's some other things that I may have, but those are usually the main things that I use. You could use a newer blender on this. At max for me is 7.9, and Avastar RC7. Avastar 2 RC7. That's the one that I use when I'm in 7.9. I don't know anything 8 and higher. So if you are using 8 or so, you're kind of on your own, because I don't use it and I don't know how this kit will work with it. So please try to use the same materials as I do. Even if it's a little inconvenient for you, it works in the long run, trust me. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I try to keep this a little short, but it's gone on a little long. So I'll see you guys over in Blender, and we can start setting up the kit and making some clothes for our Bladencat.